Rolls-Royce has always used sophisticated and impressive technology, and Trent XWB is the symbol of their focus. It is the most common and fuel-efficient Airbus engine in the world. The Trent is based on a huge turbine consisting of 20,000 components. Most of its installation is done by hand. A single unit costs 30 million euros and contains 22 titanium blades. Each engine produces a 330 kN thrust and will withstand temperature up to 2000 degrees Celsius. Thanks to Rolls-Royce engineers, they have made it less noisy and 15 more efficient in terms of fuel consumption. This can ultimately affect your air travel experience. HAWART has established itself as a leading manufacturer of the manufacturing units for rotor blades. Here we see HAWART's rotor in an interior scene where the wind blades in action have to face the lifting force in their lifetime. This is why the shells of the upper and lower blades are tied together around a set of shear mesh. This significantly increases the power of the wind blades, but for their installation, the correct fitting mesh of more than 60 meters in length and weighing more than 2 tons is presented vertically. The shear wave position picks up the shear wave and moves these blades to the mold position with incredible precision. Last but not least, you will see how MITAS are produced. From the rubber compound first, its tires are heated and calendared by machine, then the oil is kept by extruder machine. Extrusion turns it into an unbroken rubber sheet. These sheets are then cooled and cut to a tire length. A coating machine is then used to cover both sides of nylon steel and polyester with rubber. These sheets are placed under the tire. The tire bed core is then formed by aligning the steel wires with the rubber. A bed prevents vibration during its driving. The compound is also used for rubber coating. All components are then assembled using a tire maker drum. Finally, the tires are placed in a mold and pressed by machine. This process takes about 2 hours of an agricultural tire before shipment. It is further tested for quality assurance.